Hi there, Jimmy here. Today, just wanted to illustrate a retro style robot using a kind of half tone effect. It's more than just an effect. It's actual half tone brushes. In the exact process they would have been used for plate printing, but with digital brushes. So we just kind of start by sketching it out and then inking it, and then slowly using kind of broken down CMYK layers. We take that information and we paint in those corresponding colours. And eventually, what happens is, if you mix yellow and blue in percentage-wise, you end up with green, and that's what we have here. So yeah. Anyway, I just wanted to share that with you. If you like the look of this design, let me know. And if you are interested in knowing more about the brushes, I'd be more than happy to show you. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.